What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. So, y'all, I know y'all been waiting. So, I'm giving y'all what y'all been looking for. A video, a YouTube tutorial on how to do individual lashes. Y'all probably seen them a million times on YouTube by other YouTubers. Mine different. I just do mine different. Like I said, it's more than one way to scan a cat, baby. And I'm about to scan that cat. So what you just see me do is take all the lashes and put them on the little plastic thing and put them together instead of them being separate. And I did the same thing to the other pack. Yes, girl, this is the double flare. I'm gonna give me my handy dandy tweezers, some glue. You can use eyelash glue, but I prefer to use hair glue. And then first I'm prep her eyebrows first, y'all, before I put these lashes on her eyes. And get my straight razor. Them eyebrows got to be tame, boo. They got to be tame. They out of control, baby. And I'm just taking some conditioner and just putting it on there. Some cheap old conditioner. And then I'm just arching her eyebrows. Ooh. Yes, honey. Now I'm just arching that eyebrow, baby. We trying to get these bedroom eyes going on, honey. So the same thing I just did to the other eyebrow, I'm going to be doing to the other eyebrow. Nothing spectacular, nothing special, just basically the same exact thing. So, and then y'all take your time with those straight razors, because those razors will cut you if you do not know what you're doing. Take your time. I know what y'all thinking. Like, dang, did she just yarn in the thing? Yes, I did. I'm tired, shit. And I know, and her nose look like a booger, but it's not. It's a sore in her nose, y'all. She gonna see this video like, I ain't being your model no more. It's okay. It's cool, though. We established that in case y'all be all in the comments. Talking about some, what the hell is in her nose? And now I'm just taking y'all that pepper towel. I had wet it with some cold water to wipe that conditioner away. And then when I'm done, I'm going to take another pepper towel with some alcohol on there and wipe her eyebrow. But I did, forgive me, but I did that off camera. And I'm going to be taking my glue, putting it in my little tray with my lashes so I could take them off like 6, 7, however many you feel like you want to come off. Many lashes at a time off and putting them on there quicker. A lot of people would be like, why you do them like that? So instead of me just putting them on one by one, I'm grabbing a bunch of them at a time. And I'm get finished with her lashes. And they still gonna look good. See, look how many in there. I think there might be like 7 of them, 6 of them at a time. Sometimes it be 10. It all depends. And now I'm just taking it, sticking underneath her eyelashes, right underneath the eyelash, not on the waterline part, the eyelash. Because we don't need nothing on her eyes, aggravating or agitating her eyes. And she gonna have them on for a minute too, y'all. So if you do them just the way I told you, I'm showing you in this tutorial, You ain't got to worry about them coming off or anything like that. She can cry. She can wipe her face, whatever, however she want. She gonna have them on for a long time, no matter what she doing. Do not put them on that water line, y'all, because they don't last long. Yeah, I forgot to mention, once y'all put them on, tap them lightly so it'll stick on that latch. Tap them lightly so it'll stick, and you ain't got to worry about it flipping down in her eyeball, being secure. Because once I take my hand off to grab the next pair and to go open up her eyelash, you don't want it to be, because it's wet, it's going to be wet from the glue, and you don't want it to come down. You want it to press on it a little bit. See how I'm doing it? I'm gonna do is before action. Here. Now, fam. Let me see your face. You can keep your face down just like that. How about that? A little Q-tip. Shut up, Ashley. Some little alcohol. Now y'all thinking like, what's she about to do with that dang on Q-tip and that alcohol? All I'm doing right now is just taking a little bit of the alcohol and putting it on the Q-tip. I'm not saturating it and removing the excess glue off her eyelid from the eyelashes, because we don't want it to get in her eye and burn her. We just want to put a little bit on there so we can remove the glue. That's it. That's all. They still wet, but I'm just showing y'all what they look like. That's why I'm picking in their eyes. They don't aggravate her or bother her or agitate her at all. I'm just showing y'all what they look like. Boom, boom. She gonna have them on for a while, y'all. Those are so gorgeous. Oh, look at her eyes. They're so gorgeous.
Look at me ugly.
Get it, auntie. Oh,
look at me
look
looking
at
ugly.
her eyes, girlfriend.